Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we will talk about Tibet's largest lake spilling into a nearby water body for the first time in over 4,000 years, and the reasons behind this dramatic event. Tibet's two lakes have undergone a mega metamorphosis, spilling into each other after 4,000 years. Why? Due to climate change. The nation's largest inland lake, Siling, has spilled into another nearby water body, Bange, a salt lake. According to a South China Morning Post report, scientists monitoring the two lakes on the Tibetan plateau say that they could merge. The two lakes are about 4 miles apart and have shared no hydrological connection for over 4,000 years, potentially as far back as 8,200 years, when sea levels rose due to glacier melting. In September 2023, Siling spilled into an ancient riverbed that lies between the two lakes. A team led by Lei Yanbin, a professor at the Institute of Tibetan Plateau Research at the Chinese Academy of Sciences, has published an analysis of the changes at Siling Lake. The study was published in the peer-reviewed Science Bulletin in July. Real-time monitoring and early warnings for critical lake water level changes are needed to protect surrounding roads, bridges, and villages from emerging threats, he said. In the past 2 decades, Siling has expanded significantly. In the 1970s, the lake covered an area of around 1,640 square kilometers. By 2023, the lake had swollen to 2,445 square kilometers, according to Lei's analysis. While Bange water level decreased by about 1 meter over the last decade, Siling rose by 4 meters, the researcher wrote. If Siling and Bange merge, it could have significant implications for people living nearby. The outburst flood will lead to the rapid expansion of Bange, said Lei, adding, satellite data revealed that within a month of the overflow, Bange's area had increased by more than 10%. According to him, the immediate cause of the overflow was a steady rise in water levels over the last 20 years. A cumulative rise of about 13 meters between 1998 and 2023. Heavy rainfall in August and September of last year pushed the water to the point of overflowing. He said this was caused by climate change. The team estimates that by 2100, the Siling Lake's water levels will potentially rise by another 16.8 meters. They expect that Siling and Bange will merge around 2030. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.